A woman reached out to 7 on Your Side investigates after an Airbnb guest refused to leave her townhome in Hermosa Beach. That weeks-long rental became a weeks-long nightmare for the homeowner.
Tonight, you'll see what happened after 7 on Your Side went knocking. Eyewitness News reporter Rob Hayes explains how to keep this from happening to you.
Wendy Weissman may work in the software industry, but for the past decade or so, poker has been her passion.
This is a great river to bluff. Super good.
Good job, Wendy.
The SoCal native, a frequent competitor in the World Series of Poker. But recently, Weissman says she was dealt a full house in all the wrong ways.
He just refused to leave.
Weissman is talking about this guy.
Do you think it's fair that you're staying here and not paying?
Yeah, it's really fair.
That was Evan Lamarck, a man from France who slams doors and drops F-bombs.
Oh, back for more?
Yeah, allez, go bro.
Oh.
Stay here all day, you're funny.
Lamarck was living in Weissman's Hermosa Beach townhome, which he originally booked for a month through Airbnb. Weissman says after paying for 48 days, though, he refused to leave and he stopped paying.
It's squatting. It's definitely squatting.
Weissman has been listing the townhome on Airbnb for the past 2 years. Because Hermosa Beach restricts short-term rentals in her neighborhood, she can only offer the property for bookings of 30 days or longer. And that is the root of her problem.
Once you allow someone to remain in occupancy for 30 days, they establish tenancy rights, and then you have to use the civil litigation process to remove the person.
Real estate attorney Daniel Bornstein says that process in California can take 6 months or even longer in some cases. And with the Olympics coming to LA in a couple years, he says even more disputes over short-term rentals like this can be expected as tourists from around the world pour in. Bornstein's advice to those thinking about sharing their home on Airbnb or other platforms: make sure you have proper documentation to establish identities, confirm the date they are vacating, check that they have airline tickets booked out of California on the appropriate dates, and do not rent for more than 29 days at a time.
You would have the right to change the locks at that point in time.
In Weissman's case, it was too late to change the locks, and as the days dragged on, she says her costs piled up. A 6-month eviction process would equal more than $70,000 in lost rental income.
This is going to devastate me if he ends up staying, for any length of time.
Plus, she still has to pay her mortgage and property taxes during that time and all the attorney fees related to eviction. As for any help from Airbnb, the company says it tried to contact the guest multiple times but was unsuccessful.
Airbnb did the absolute minimum. They said call your local law enforcement.
But Weissman says because this was a civil matter, police wouldn't be able to do anything.
Why are you staying in the Airbnb and not paying?
I explained her, she knows the situation.
Can you explain it to us, though?
No.
Weissman tells us Lamarck claims his credit card was stolen and he couldn't leave until it was replaced. But a couple days after we chased down Lamarck, his squatting plan sprung a literal leak.
This was just gushing water.
Weissman's neighbor told her water was pouring out of the townhome. That, she says, constituted an emergency, allowing her to enter the property where she says she found this.
They tried to break into my closet.
Weissman felt she now legally had the upper hand, something she thinks Lamarck realized because she says later that night he packed up a U-Haul and disappeared, leaving the townhome a mess.
You can see there's still a lot of standing water in here.
While Airbnb does offer damage insurance through its air cover program, Weissman says the company needs to do more to protect property owners, like provide squatter insurance when guests refuse to leave.
I would have taken it. That would have been great.
We asked Airbnb about possibly offering squatters insurance, but the company didn't give us an answer. Concerning Weissman's situation, the company sent us a 2-sentence statement. Issues like this on Airbnb are very rare. In this case, we are in contact with the host and have removed the guest from our platform. But that did little to remove him from the unit. Weissman now hoping to spur legislation that protects short-term rental owners from falling into a similar situation.
Booking it on Airbnb with the lax eviction laws in California, they just get away with it.
In Hermosa Beach, Rob Hayes, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.